Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Today, we'd like to talk about Optimism, Up USDT trading pair with my customer set. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, we track this chart. I don't know. I guess since summer 2023, and technically, it's can be the end of cycle, but I don't think so. Technically, why technically? Because we formed like three drives pattern. Right, so 1, 2, 3 on a weekly time frame. If it's on a Binance, if we zoom out on the monthly, it looks also the same. Since the June 2022, the lowest point listed on a Binance was 39 cents. We hit the highest point $4.86. Let's check another exchanges. So this was on OKX. On OKX, listing was also 39, and I marked the levels. So we got one sell side liquidity, another sell side liquidity. This gap we already closed, this gap already done, and we sweep it this one. So we leave it in June 2023, and in February 2025 we sweep it. Done. Next one is the lowest point sell side liquidity is October 2022, 63 cents 37. So this is a next level, crucial one. What we can see for Optimism, if only if we will drop lower. Technically, it looks not so brightful because it's around 34% down. The big mistake, once again, what many traders did with Optimism. Firstly, a lot of people draw the trend lines. I already explained it why I mostly never use like a trend line, because here everything just hypothetical stuff. So we gotta like touch, we can draw the trend line like this one, touch, drop. Of course, it's a fake out, bounce, fake out again, retest it, going higher, support, bounce, and dump, reject and dump again. Technically possible, right? So everything looks logical. But what if we draw like this one? So here, everybody draw like this, and here people waiting. So we should drop and retest it, right? But what happened next usually? So when we drop like this, here let me show you. We drop, touch, we get reaction, but after that anyway we'll dump it. So people here once again call it's just a fake out. We can go to the line chart and identify on a line chart. So like this one, here's the next support. This is of course fake out, fake out, fake out, then we dump it. Once again, doesn't work. All right, we draw like this one. Once again, doesn't work. That's why, guys, we can draw a lot of trend lines, and they work, maybe 1 or 2 times on a bounce, because it's just a logical support line from some block or the block or a favorable gap. That's why I mostly never use the trend lines, no matter it's a downtrend line or an uptrend line. I mostly work with the liquidity pools, because for me, liquidity pools is like visualization. So if we drop, stop it, get a buyers, for example, uptrend, it means at this level here, we got a buyers, we got a volume. So this level comfortable, 88 cents, comfortable level for the buyers, right? So we got a logical entry and going higher. Of course, here we can't know where we're going to stop. That's why it's hard to identify it. Here, now we dump it on that low 79 cents because we sweep the stop losses. We just hunt the main stop losses on a weekly time frame. So logical. Next one going to be the hunt of that sell side liquidity, because on this lows is like crucial level where some people ready to buy, some people ready to close their position at the break even. For example, if they still hold that, somebody will gamble with the big leverages at that point. So when we drop, a lot of people will gamble, and then we can leave it the huge weak candle, to liquidate all of that gamblers, and only after that bounce and to form the new all-time high. Technically, also another mistake. So the people can use the head and shoulder, right? So the left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. So the side of that head and shoulder should be, I don't know, we should add 1-0. Technically, also doesn't work personally for me, because I think this liquidity pool. So we're gonna hunt it here, and we go higher. At least 50% of this $2.77. So this is the next, let's call it trouble area. So first let's say bullish trouble area, this is going to be the bearish one, because at this point a lot of people will open their short position and start thinking we're going like this one down more, or sell the spot. What I think we will see with that liquidity, sell side liquidity sweep or without, of course, would be good to see something like this one and the fast V-shape recover move, right? But most likely we can drop, test it, going higher slowly but surely. In the next few months, we can hit $2.85 and a new all-time high. So just in case, guys, if we use, for example, on the weekly time frame, the FIB level with the 27 zone. So we use just the basic FIB. So this magnet, this is a top, this is support here. Why this is support? I recommend you go and check the free educational video about that FIB, what I use personally, and how do I identify it? I identify by logic, first of all. So this is a top of the top. It's a logical one. This is the main support. What we got? Reaction. You know, on weekly time frame, you can use the line chart, you can use the body candle close, you can use the I don't know, with the weeks. I use mostly with the weeks if it's a normal healthy week, not like, you know, sometimes we can see the week like this. And if we see the week like this one, in many cases we come back and close 50% of that type of week. So we bounce it here, one touch, rejection, drop, find that reaction. So, and when I see as much as possible confirmations when we touch some levels, it gives me the confidence. So this level, like main support, then I build the levels. So the next one is here. We should add 1-0. I don't think so it will happen, but it's possible. So guys, let's be real. Let's be real. Unfortunately, everything's possible in crypto. So now, crucial level, we have to hold it here, and time to sell will be at 0.5 level FIB. Firstly, $2.95. 331, 368, this block, and new all-time high. I think the Optimism will hit the new all-time high again. It's around $6.77, $9.86. So technically, if we use that FIB, so that's the case, guys. And let's check with my customer cassette what's going on now. Here, it was a distribution. So this is a like not a big deal distribution, you know, but we formed the warranty. So here, 1, 2, and 3. Third top, the warranty. Here's another top and drop. Here, finally, we just in the middle. Of course, we can dump so hard, aggressively, dump low and trade it just in accumulation 1 more year. Also possible, and it's kind of bad because we're gonna waste the time. So this why it's bad, not because of price, not because of dump. Here, just now, we see some signals of accumulation by whales. It's kind of strange, but I already explained to you, the whales absolutely don't care about the timing. Absolutely, they got a lot of money for a living. They life, you know, they just routine, you know, regular life, outside of the chart. Doesn't change if the Optimism will be here or here. Absolutely. And if it's a August 26, absolutely, they doesn't care because they just invest the money. After that, wait, pump, withdraw initial deposit, and the ride with the free tokens to the new all-time high. Just the money from the air, imagine. And the size, imagine the size of initial deposit. So you wait, you and me, like retailers, we invest, for example, let's say 1K, 5K, 10K, right? Invest in Optimism or in other tokens, and we wait some great returns, right? So we wait, I don't know, I want to make them 100K, I want to make some 500,000, so we dream about it, right? But imagine if you invest like 1 million and the token pump from here, 91, this one, 80. You invest 1 million and the token pump 57%. And you get like in 1, 2, 3, 4 days, 4 weeks, sorry. You get in like 4 weeks or 3 weeks, just $500,000. And press sell by market. And this is it, guys. The crypto should pump just because it's a crypto. Guys, don't believe in that stupid stuff. It works like in Zone 17 maybe. Some coins pump it because it can in Zone 21, but the world changed. Definitely. So this is disbelief market move. So definitely this is not a time to out of the token. So you can wait, just add alert to the market mode indicator to the top and wait the top. And after that only out. Now, no makes sense even to sell, right? Or also, of course, no makes sense to randomly buy and just trying to get the bottom. But if 93 cents is comfortable price for you, you can accumulate it. It's the logical entry. Here, you could track it. So here, money outflow, sell, drop, money inflow. So unfortunately, guys, there is no new money inflow like it was in May, June 23. I can't just tell you, oh, everything's gonna be good, right? We pump to the moon, it's super cycle and all of that nonsense stuff, guys. Of course, like anyone, I want to see the green charts, definitely, because I'm so tired to see that speculation, pump down, pump down, pump down. So no main trend. So we not follow the trend. Zero narrative, zero interest. The people just like to speculate their assets with 100%, 200% profit, but this is not what we're looking for. And no money inflow now, unfortunately, guys. Trade on the weekly. I showed you. Check the take profit on the weekly. Here we trade on the fundamental value. So here, last time when we touched the fundamental value, we bounced it and the test exactly take profit line. So it was like 161%. On some tokens on different time frames, tokens playing out so accurate, and I get an explanation for this one because the liquidity, the bots, what the market makers use works perfectly well. If you see some token with a huge weeks, it's not enough liquidity, it's just low cap token maybe. So Optimism, so accurate, so technical token. Now this is low, and yes, capitulation I showed you. So I will not surprise if we dump again, but of course I wish to see later, right, in the bear market. So I wish to see something like this one. Here, recover move and start build a structure. Here, everybody gonna scream, we going to $100, to $10, to $100, to $50, and all of that stuff. Maybe we're gonna hit 10. I can't know. And after that, dump again. So I hope we will leave this sell-side liquidity for the next bear market. If not, you know what to do. Of course, guys, only the sky is the limit, and only the maybe market makers and exchanges know where the price will stop if we dump under the listing price. So, guys, we can't know. That's why we work with possibilities. Daily time frame. Technically, we already dump it to here under fundamental value. Chains got all right. Here's a drop to 81 cents 99. It's going to be the fundamental value of the token. Take profit line. It's $2.17. 12-hour time frame. It's here buy line 82 cents 97. Fundamental value. It's a sweep of that side sell side liquidity. So guys, everything absolutely logically. Now we just wait. Just wait. You have to understand market can't move up forever and it can't drop forever. So anyway, sooner or later we will bounce. And if you catch the great entry, usually safety trade just withdraw initial deposit, zero stress, and just wait. Just be like whales, like smart money. So guys, all targets I showed you, and if you'd like to trade with my customer I would show in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, change his like button, notification button to forget your my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.